Sikat na wrestler yan si
Oy,
Undertaker.
galit. Ayaw.
Undertaker.
Nakakatakot. Nawawala yung itim ng mata.
Uy, ayan o.
Oy! Grabe, sakit sa ulo niya.
Gutom ka ba?
Ginawa ko yun, sakit ang ulo ko.
Uy, Undertaker, kinakamusta ka ng kapatid mo?
Sino ba yung kapatid niya?
Si Care.
Caretaker. Sa mga beach house.
Si Paul Bearer yan.
Ha?
Hindi pa ikaw si Paul Bearer.
Oo, yung mali.
Grabe ka, Jukes!
Grabe si Jukes.
Sali ka rito, Jukes.
I love you, Will. I love you.
Ako, i-google naman lang, people.
Gabi, nakayayat lang siya ngayon.
Oh, nag-diet.
Retired
What's your
na kasi.
secret? What is your secret? Dieting. Diet.
Just
Nagiginig pa.
Ha?
Broken ano?
broken heart. Just
Broken
Broken heart.
Ang
Oh.
ganda ng voice niya.
Kaya pala siya naka-all black, broken.
What
and also cause of anxiety.
Ah, gossip.
English pala to. Ikaw na kumausap.
Kaya nga tinabi kita dyan para usapin mo.
Uy, pero siya lang ang kaloka like na ang fans niya si Spider-Man. Support!
Sandali. Tropa mo ba yan? Tropa mo?
Spider mo, nakashoot.
Di ba si Gagamboy yan?
Nakashoot.
Tropa, kamusta na dyan?
Ha?
Tropa, kamusta?
Wala, tropa.
Nagdala ka pa pala.
Marami ka man dalang sapot ngayon.
Mahirap eh.
Mahirap.
May outing siya, nakagagal siya, mag-swimming siya.
Hindi yan gagal.
Hindi nagagal siya.
Anyway, Undertaker, the Madlang people wants to know
Nanginginig.
what's your full name? Do you know your full name?
Mark Calloway.
What?
Mark
Mark Calloway.
What happened to your voice? Under renovation?
He's a rocker.
Ay, Calloway.
Alam mo si Pepe Herrera. Para si Pepe Herrera.
Ganyan siya lagi magsalita.
Actually, pwede nga bumalik to Pepe.
Character talaga siya.
So, who's your next opponent?
My next opponent. It depends, but I want to face Sting. Sting.
Sting.
Let's face
Oh,
one on
yeah,
one
the energy drink?
at
Sting?
WrestleMania.
Si Sting. Sting daw. Baka yung bandang Sting.
Can you say, what's up, madlang people? Can you say
Can
that?
you say what's up with that?
What's up, Madlang people?
Ang hirap, no?
What's up, Madlang people?
At nakakahilo
Ba't
lang.
tumitirik yung mata?
We want to see your skills in wrestling.
Oh, wrestling.
Yeah.
Sample.
We want to fight you with the...
Yes!
this guy.
Yes! Wag!
Me again!
Don't be a president.
Are you
Get ready with your cell phones.
Undertaker versus Augie the Giant!
Okay, let's do it, bro. Oh.
Let's go!
Grabe! Oy! Mabubuhay yan, mabubuhay yan.
Ikaw po, ikaw!
Ay, nabuhay yan, lagot ka. Sandali!
Ano?
Kita yung hulugan ng alkansya! Kita yung hulugan ng alkansya!
Guys, amoy Undertaker siya.
Kala ko underwear!
Grabe. Ayun, tumirik na naman yung mata. Oo nga, pwede kang Pepe Herrera, oh.
Si Junie Gamboa yan. Thank you, Undertaker. I loved
Thank
it. Thank you for the... Oh, yeah.
WWE.
scary.
Yeah, give it up for Charles Pallier, Undertaker, Paranaque.
Alamin natin ang atang na madla kay contestant number 3 mula kina Ryan at Tetay.
Yes!
Ryan, alamin na natin ang pulso ng bayan. Alamin natin kung kaloka or kaloka like ni Ronnie Diaz. Yes! Kaya naman, Madlang people! Kaloka or kaloka like! Wow! Maraming kaloka like! Wow, pero may isang kaloka! Oh, wow! Hi, excuse me, sir. Good afternoon. May foreigner. Hi there. What's your name, sir?
Tradale.
Tradale. Oh my God, why don't you talk to me? Where are you from? Where are you from, sir?
USA.
From USA.
Yeah.
Where exactly in USA? Because I was there
Tennessee.
yesterday. Tennessee.
Yes.
Oh my God, that's so dope. Are you here for vacation?
Yes.
Tradell, is it your first time in the Philippines?
It is.
And who are you with?
My father.
Your father. Hello there, father. Where's your mother, brother, sister? How do you brush your teeth? So, is it your first time coming here? Yes.
Yes.
Until when is your vacation?
April.
April. Oh, that's
April.
quite a long time.
Good.
You have a business here in the Philippines?
Nope.
Can I see your documents? This is the immigration. Tradell, I saw you flip the card and it says here Kaloka.
Oh.
You know what this means, Kaloka?
Yes.
Oh, what does it mean? What the? Yeah, what?
That it doesn't.
It doesn't look. Does he look like Undertaker? He looks like Undertaker.
I thought everything was great except bigger chest.
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
A bigger chest. Oh, you like
Chin-chin
bigger
na
chest.
lang.
Yeah. So, good luck to you. Ryan, why don't you talk to him?
Who's your Kaloka? Do you have any Kaloka like in USA?
Johnny Depp.
Wow,
Captain
Johnny
Jack
Depp.
Sparrow.
Johnny Depp. But you know what? You look like my favorite potato chips in the
Pringles.
Yes. Thank you very much, Tradell. Welcome to Philippines.
Sir. Sir.
Oh,
sir. Drink moderately, okay?
Why is all the rum gone?
Salamat sa'yo.
Welcome to
Salamat po.
Ay,
Philippines.
marunong siya mag-Tagalog. Salamat
Paano
po.
mo? Do you know how to speak Tagalog?
Hindi po.
Hindi.
Alam mo,